Hello and welcome to this video. In the last video I posted a couple of days ago, I discussed two possibilities in line with the ending of the DV 2023 program. The first possibility was that issuance continues, and in that case we would have gone beyond 60,000 visas issued in the DV 2023 program, and that would have been in violation of the United States immigration law. And the second possibility, which was the more likely one, was that the program be called off before we get to the September 30th deadline. Well, this second scenario, which was the more likely one, is the one that has finally played out. On yesterday, September 6, 2023, the State Department posted an update on their official website which suggests that this is the final week of interviews in the DV 2023 program. As of Tuesday, September 5th, up to 54,000 visas had already been issued out. So from Tuesday up to Thursday today, or latest Friday, all of the visas that are still remaining in the DV 2023 program will be issued out. In a moment, we will consider the update that is currently posted on the official website of the United States State Department. But before we go over to the State Department's website to consider the update, it was because of this reason that I mentioned in the last video that you should have at the back of your mind that it was possible for interviews in the DV 2023 program to be cancelled as you go about preparing for your interview. And secondly, sometime in July, I made a video in which I mentioned that in case your interview was scheduled in the latter part of September, you were not safe, you were under threat considering the statistics of the DV 2023 program. And then finally, this goes to those of you who were saying that this was not possible because you had already spent money undergoing your medicals and other expenses. But as I mentioned in the last video, your interview could be cancelled even if you underwent expenses in line with the diversity visa program. So yes, this is what has finally happened. Unfortunately, this is the final week of interviews in the DV 2023 program. So now let's consider the proof of all of what I'm saying by going over to the official website of the United States State Department and consider the latest update concerning the DV 2023 program. Update on Diversity Visa DV Program 2023. Last updated September 6, 2023. That is when this update was posted. I'm only going to read what is in the red frame. As of September 5, 2023, there have been more than 54,000 issuances or adjustment of status worldwide out of the 54,833 diversity visas available for fiscal year 2023. Additionally, under U.S. immigration law, no single country can receive more than 7% of the available diversity visas in any one fiscal year. As we are approaching these caps in some countries such as Algeria and Nepal, it may become necessary to take steps to avoid exceeding the country-specific numerical limits. This includes potentially canceling visa appointments. We acknowledge that the early conclusion of the DV 2023 program may be disappointing to selectees who were unable to receive a visa. The 2025 Diversity Visa Program entry period will open in early October of this year, and we encourage all who are eligible to apply. As previously stated in the DV 2023 program instructions, the DV program is limited to the issuance of approximately 55,000 visas each fiscal year. Selection does not guarantee that an applicant will receive a visa interview or a visa. Selection merely means the person may be eligible to participate in the DV program and may potentially apply for a visa, but it is not a guarantee. So that is it. That is how the DV 2023 program has ended, unfortunately, and there is nothing we can do to change that. As I mentioned in the video I posted, when interview scheduling came to an end in the middle of August, life still goes on. This is not the end of your life. Now, for those of you who still do not believe that the program is over, I'm going to leave the link to that update in the description of this video. Click on it and read the update in its entirety for yourself. Which brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching it. I wish you the very best as you attempt other endeavors in your life. Goodbye.